Hi, today I'm in front of new Realme Pro 9 Plus and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and enter the Ampere. You should click here to install this application. I just should only open it because I just get before this application. After that, when you open it, you should find here the information about our battery temperature, and in my case that is the 27 and 7 degrees. So also we can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.